Today is show and tell day, and do I have something nice to show you? This is a BMW. You probably already know that. But what you don't know is this. Now, it takes a person of peculiar taste to not admire a car that's able to move like that. When a car is as big as this. This is the BMW 6 Series GT spec'd with one of my favorite diesel engines ever. A 3-litre 6-cylinder that makes a mammoth 620 Nm. That's what enables it to go like stink in a straight line. That's what enables it to morph into a dinky car when your right foot's pressed up against the floor. That's what makes you giggle. Show and tell is not over. Do you see this little BMW laser inscription over here? Well, that is BMW speak for essentially headlights that can throw a beam of light up to 650 meters ahead of you. Now, that's not the only impressive thing. It can also lower or dip the beam of light so as to not blind oncoming traffic, and that's pretty important. And also what it can do is essentially turn up the beam of light by a certain amount of degrees, and this follows your steering angle. So wherever your steering points, that's where your headlights go. Then there's soft close doors. You know, for, I didn't put enough pressure into closing my doors. Then there's adaptive ride height, because you're never too far away from a few choice curse words on our roads. And finally, a manually retractable spoiler. Because. The show goes on the inside because there's not one, not two, not three, not four, no wait, four. Yes, BMW deemed it fit to squeeze in 4 12.3-inch screens for all your viewing pleasure. The 6 GT, true to its name, is a marvel for road trips. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless phone charging, the rear occupants can watch Netflix while being driven, they can recline the seats up to 9 degrees, there's an enormous boot, an enormous panoramic sunroof, and enormously comfortable seats. And then BMW goes and does something that's just honestly quite surprising. They pack in all this tech and this luxury and opulence and that manic engine under there, and it's all great. And then they go and make it fun to drive. Because it is. Around the bends, at speed, it just feels hooked up. It feels connected, alive. Genuinely shouldn't, because it weighs about the same as, well, India. But it does. And then there's the last bit, the way it rides. It is baffling how BMW has managed to make one of the best riding cars I've ever been in. My best guess is that BMW has made a deal with the devil, which would mean that its future cars get born with one wheel less or something like that, which, come to think of it, this one already gets, because the 6 GT gets 4 run-flat tires and no spare whatsoever. But for now, in the present, this is what we get. And I don't blame BMW one bit for making that deal. The 6 GT, it looks phenomenal, it drives phenomenally, it rides sublimely, and it just pampers you quite a lot. And that's that. Thank you for watching. This is Forbes India Momentum. I'm Ronak, and as far as show and tell goes, I win. There's no winning in show and tell. Who made that rule?